Okay, here's realistic. It's all in my mouth and everything is dripping everywhere. And in my teeth. Hey guys, it's Zoria here, and I am going to show you all today a little bit on how to mix honey and turmeric together for a face mask. So welcome back to my channel if you're new here as well, but we're gonna dive right in today. So I have my bowl here and my spoon and my honey and my turmeric. So what we're gonna do is easy and simple. Just simply pour. I'm just gonna eyeball it as well. Hopefully it'll turn out right, but so I'm just getting some honey in my clear bowl and I'm just going like that. As you can see, literally just that much. And then I'm gonna get me some turmeric. So I just got this from Whole Foods. You can get any kind of turmeric. But yeah, so the turmeric has really good brightening features that can go with it and benefits with it. And honey is great for antioxidants, so you'll be able to help your pimples along with helping your dark marks getting brightening up. So like I said, I'm eyeballing it, so I'm mixing it up together. I feel like I need a little bit more honey. Let me just go ahead and get more honey. It does have a strong smell, so get used to that. But like I said, eyeballing, so let's just keep seeing until we get a good consistency. See, I feel like that's a good consistency here that I'm getting. I feel like the more honey, the less the stronger the scent of the turmeric, so that will be good. But I'm going to be doing this for a whole week, 7 days. So I'm going to take my makeup off, and when I come back, I will get ready to show you all how to put it on. Like I said, I'm going to be doing this for 7 days, so you'll be able to see the process and if there's any improvements at the end of the week. But catch you guys later. And like we did earlier, we scooped it up and it gets this kind of consistency going here. Really good. It's a thick consistency, but hopefully it will work well. And here we go. So I have my face mask applicator thing I use. Yeah, so just gonna dip it in and simply, hold on, my hair back. And simply apply it to my face like so. I feel like this is so soothing. Great method for self-care. Yeah, it does have a scent, just a turmeric scent, nothing too harsh. So here is my face after the first day. As you see, I got some pimples, a little bit of dark mark right here. So let's hope for progress, but we'll be back on day 2. To the top couple of days off, but for the rest of the 5 days we have left, it will be consistent on how I'm doing. So what I noticed from the last mask, it was very drippy. So I'm doing still the turmeric and the honey, but I'm going to add in flour, just any all-purpose flour. I've seen this done a couple of times on YouTube before, so hopefully that will help out from so it won't drip as much and get everywhere. It was a huge mess. And one thing about the turmeric, if it gets on like any of your countertops or your clothes, it will stain it yellow, so you have to scrub it really hard to get it out. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and with our bowl start mixing in the stuff. And I'm also not gonna put as much as I did last time, so hopefully it won't add too much slipperage as well. But like I said, here we go. Hey guys, so this is day 3. I've already made my concoction of the turmeric mask, and we're gonna go ahead and get our applicator and apply it. Hey guys, so I just finished taking off the mask just like I usually do the other day, and here is an update of my skin. I'm trying to get in closer so you can see. I do feel like around here is becoming lighter. I don't have as much dark marks as usual, but I still have these newer ones here. I do have a new pimple here. Maybe it's because I'm drinking soda, not sure to why, but little pimples here. But dark mark reasoning, there's not as much dark marks as I can see. The most I can see is just this right here. So definitely am seeing improvement. Not sure if you guys are as well. But with the mask today, when I did a smaller consistency of it to cover my whole face, and now I had no drippage whatsoever. And I had a bib on and everything, and there was no drip. So that's definitely a good reasoning. Still the same flour, turmeric, and honey. But we'll see you again for day 4. Okay, here's realistic. It's all in my mouth and everything is dripping everywhere. Anyway, like I said, if you're not sure if you see a difference in my skin, but definitely try out this little challenge. It didn't do much to this at all. Thought it was gonna make it a little darker. But try out this challenge and see what you can do that. Subscribe to my channel.